Symi Island. Symi is a small mountainous Greek island accessible only by ferry. As you are approaching the port of Symi, it is impossible to overlook the beautifully painted 2- and 3-story houses, which make its landscape incredibly picturesque. The best starting point for you is the port of Symi. On the shores, you can drink a coffee or enjoy food in local restaurants, or admire the beautiful landscape, which is a dream of every photographer. Taste crispy fried red Symi shrimps, which are a typical local dish. These tiny shrimps inhabit the sea around the island and are usually eaten whole. The most iconic attraction of Symi is Panormitis Monastery, dedicated to the Archangel Michael. Constructed in 18th century, it is still inhabited by monks. You can find 2 small museums inside, admire its bell tower, and enjoy unparalleled views from this landmark overlooking the bay and surrounding area. Are you looking for the best beaches in the island? We recommend Agios Nikolaos Beach with turquoise waters. It is organized with sunbeds and umbrellas and is an ideal spot for families with children. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.